With a fresh new design that comes in sail, Fauna Brown, and Rose Gold, Nike continues to release seasonally inspired Air Force Ones. The silhouette is still a year-round favorite, but this version focuses on soft neutral hues and high-end materials, making it ideal for transitional wardrobes into fall 2025. This particular Air Force One low has a sail-colored tumbled leather upper with smooth white strips underneath for depth. Rich Fauna Brown highlights used to the swoosh, heel tab, and outsole are the unique feature, providing a grounded contrast to the lighter base. Rose gold accents give the tongue tag and lace dubrae a delicate warmth, while a little swoosh on the lateral forefoot updates the traditional style. An elegant and well-coordinated touch is added to the pair with a brown durable rubber outsole and two-tone midsole.